गेम डाउनलोड करने के लिए और नए वीडियो देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें और इस घंटा को दबाएं ताकि हमारा लेटेस्ट वीडियो आप तक पहुंचे।
Hey buddy, I don't mean to come across as a stick in the mud, but if you could cut the light show, I'm sure all the neighbors would really appreciate it.
Just the person I've been waiting for! Now I can properly thank you for what you did to me!
I don't know how I did anything to you, considering that I'm sure we've never met. I have an excellent memory for faces, especially ones of the glowing blue variety.
Keep making jokes, Spider-Man.
I need to wash this costume later. Being a hero is dirty business.
Take it off, Mike. There'll be nothing left of you!
This is getting pretty rough.
What does a fried spider smell like?
Hold on, what's Oscorp doing here?
NYPD doesn't have the hardware to hold this guy, so they called us.
You're too busy playing a hero to worry about collateral damage. The chemicals you lose when you crash trucks, or the poor saps who find them.
Story is ours now.
Craven disagrees.
If you commies want to keep your heads...
The Mafia is but a...
Hey guys, look out!
Shake it off, Spidey. That's going to leave a bruise.
Just stay.
Okay, who's next for a Spidey beatdown?
All you got?
This is getting pretty rough.
So slow, so weak.
Hey, I felt that.
Spider break in half. You cannot. Just stay down.
You'll save a lot on medical bills if you give up now. Shake it off, Spidey. See you next time. Time to rest now.